Welcome back to part 4 of how to make a turn-based combat game in Scratch. This is the last video, thanks for watching. And if you didn't watch the previous one, go check it out, I've put the link in the description. In this video, we will work on detecting game over and displaying the winner. Now, we move to step 6, detecting game over and revealing the winner. In the script we made previously, when either the soldier or dragon's health is below or equal to 0, the script will broadcast a game over message. Now, when the soldier or dragon receives the game over logic, the game will end. Click on the soldier script and add "When I receive game over." Add broadcast hide buttons because we want the buttons to hide when the game ends. Go to Control, add an if block, then set the condition as when dragon health is less than or equal to 0 using the OR operator. Then go to Logs, add "Say I win" for 3 seconds to reveal the winner. Then go to Control and add Stop All. Then drag this script to the dragon script. In the dragon script, change the variable from dragon health to soldier health. Next, click on the physical attack button. Go to Events and add When I receive hide buttons. Go to Logs and add hide. Then copy this script to the other 3 buttons. Now, the buttons will hide when the game is finished. Now, the game is almost finished, but we still need to add the attack effect. So, we move to the last step, adding the visual effects. Click on the soldier script. Go to Events. Above the Say I dealt certain damage block, add an broadcast message named Damage by Soldier. Similarly, go to Dragon script and add Broadcast Damage by Dragon. Then go to the Soldier script, go to Events and add When I receive damage by dragon. Go to Control, add an if-else block, and set the condition as when actual damage is greater than 0. This is to show the soldier is taking damage. We want the soldier to flash to indicate it is taking damage. Add a repeat block. Go to Logs and add 2 show blocks and 1 hide block. Then go to Control and in between these blocks add a wait 0.05 seconds block. Then go to Logs and drag the Say block for 2 seconds block into the else part. So when the soldier blocks successfully, he will say the word block. Then simply drag the whole script to dragons and change the receiving message to Damage by Soldier. Now the game is finished. When the soldier or dragon deals damage to each other, the other flash and say block during a successful block. When the game ends, the winner will say I win. Thanks for watching this tutorial series. If you guys enjoy it, give me a like and subscribe for more videos about game development. See you in the next video. Bye.